The act of taking condoms, the act of taking tampons, the act of taking mafuta kwa madhabahu, it is not right.
I regret doing all I have done na Pastor Kanyari ni miario yarekererio ni muiritu uyu wa miaka 23 uria ukoretwo akionia Pastor Kanyari nyondo ciake riria mareka lives guku gwa TikTok. Muiritu uyu ni ahoya Akenya muhera enyihitie muno, akiuga ati kiundu ni kiramwirire ti wega uguo areka, na makiria thutha wa Akenya gukorwo makimuingirira muno ni undu wa ikinya maragikorwo magika kuria maratwara Pastor Kanyari iheo cia magigi, iheo ta cia kondomu iria marakimutwarire kanitha-ini wake mbere ya ashirika Kenya makiuga ati content creation eno yao ni kirete mihaka na riu ni ragira kigongona kia Ngai nginyagia gitio. Muiritu uyu akiyumiria na kuga ati we ni aherete na akerira muno ni undu wa maundu maria agikoretwo agika guku kwa TikTok, akiuga all she was doing what was crowd chasing na mundu gwetwo Pastor Kanyari and everything was not true.
I just feel like this is not what I'm supposed to be doing. And I feel I am embarrassed by what is happening, and I just want it to end here. First and foremost, I want to own up my mistakes. Ningependa kukubali makosa yangu. I know that I have hurt people. I know that there are people who might be crying because of what I've done. I know there are people who are ashamed. I know there are people who would want to even quit from my life because of what I've done. I'm still learning, and for those people who have even called me kuniambia, Rish, this is not the right thing, I am grateful. I own up. Nimekubali makosa yangu na tafadhali nisameheni. Whatever happened in that altar was wrong. Kile kitu kilifanyika kwa hayo madhabahu si kizuri. I do not know that lady. I met her for the first time. Actually, when she was brought in, akakuja kaketi mahali nilikuwa, aliniambianga, Rish, I'm your fan.